Want to fix CookieRun OvenSmash Error Code 2? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to smashing. Let's dive in. First things first, Error Code 2, disconnected due to inactivity and/or bad network, indicates a problem with your internet connection or the game's ability to maintain a stable link. Now let's start with the basics. Restart your device, phone or tablet, and your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes your network connection. Next, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if one connection type works better. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router if possible. You'll also want to update the CookieRun OvenSmash app to the latest version. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for the game and install any available updates. Outdated versions can have connectivity bugs. Finally, if the error persists, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to settings.apps.CookieRun OvenSmash, Storage Clear Cache. For iOS, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app, which also clears its cache. Some users have also reported success by ensuring their device's language is set to English. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more CookieRun tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.